And here is the man himself. Hello.
What?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Right. Yeah. You ready to see the Varios?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go look at some Varios.
Cool.
Get some inspiration. So Becky's just fallen in love. I've lost her.
With the van. I love it. Just look at the amazing colours of the rainbow. So much space as well.
That is a lot of room.
Yeah. Look at the, look, that is the exact colour.
It is.
I've just put in the van. Oh, nice big oven.
It's a lot of room, isn't
It's
it?
a huge amount of space. Look at how large it goes back.
Oh, she's gone. She's in.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm not going to look in your cupboards, it's fine.
Yeah, no, she's in the bathroom's boxes are drying, so don't mind that.
No, you've done an amazing job here. It's just, I love seeing people's personality.
Absolutely.
When they've done their own van build. And the wackier the better.
That is nice. You're definitely selling it to me, a Vario. Vario is definitely the way to
100%
go.
get one.
And even look, they've
Yeah,
got
it's the
a
best
front
thing we
garden.
ever done.
Well, so the owners of this Vario is Matt and Georgia,
Hi.
and they've had it for how long? About a year?
Just about a year.
Yeah, and we've been in it since sort of the beginning of the
We've
year.
been
really.
decorating it for what? About 6 months.
Things just keep changing. You
5,
find
6
new things,
months, yeah.
finding like the signs, everything. So
Yeah.
it's just.
It's been busy.
Is it full? Are you full timers?
Not just three-quarter timers.
3/4 timers.
Yeah.
We're transitioning, so we're getting there.
Yeah,
so
we will be there
shouldn't be
soon
too
enough.
long, and we'll be in it.
It doesn't matter, does it?
Do it.
No.
No.
Just do it.
Yeah, living it full
absolutely.
time,
Yeah.
definitely, 100%.
Yeah, that's going to be our aim. So yeah.
Yeah, we love
Lovely,
it.
Van.
We love
Thank
it.
you for
You're
showing
very
us
Oh, you're
welcome.
around.
very welcome.
Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
And what was it we were going to ask? What would be the thing that you noticed about the van that
Yeah,
is
what-
a downside? Or
What
you know,
advice
what
would you
advice?
give anyone looking to buy a Vario? What's the one thing they should look out for?
They're all so different. You
Yeah,
got to know
they're
what
all-
you want, and then also don't rush into ripping things out.
Yeah.
Because so many people get them like, I'm going to take everything out. I've done a van build before with a smaller one, and I used it, know what I wanted to do, and then built it. You know, even if I was on a roll mat with a pod for a while, just use it and then figure out, because I completely changed. I had an idea in my head, like single bed, get
How you
motorbike
wanted
in,
Yeah.
get all this in, do all this, and then I was like, I don't want to make the bed every day.
Yeah.
I'm going
things
to have
could
a
be
fixed
so
bed,
different when you're in it.
you know.
Yeah, and
So-
the space works different because it's a different type of
And
van
it's a
as
different
well.
person. Well, like obviously we don't have the slider, so we've got more space for a couch or for
Yeah.
the seating area. Everyone else doesn't really have that, and like you say, some of the ones with the buses don't have the seats at the front. It's all different.
It's like
It
we
all
have our
works.
own escape, don't we? If I want to sit in the bed,
Yeah,
she's
like-
got the sofa
and
to
having
relax.
alone
Nice.
time.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
and it's
yeah.
it's that's kind of a good thing. You know what you want. If you want separate areas, because sometimes, like you say, some of them they want a social space, but they've regretted it because they didn't put one in. So know what you want to use your van for, and
That's what we've just done, isn't it? You've just made a few changes on your van so that we
Yeah.
can live in it together more.
Yeah.
Because originally it was more just Mel's van, wasn't it? Because you
It's my bachelor pad.
Yeah.
but that's what I mean. Things change.
Spoiled with that.
That's what I was like with my Tifa. I was like, nope, single bed, get a motorbike in, I'm sorted. And then I was like, oh, never mind. I'm not having the bike. I'm gonna
Met you. And
Yeah.
it was like,
Now we're
ah.
getting married in October,
Oh,
so
really?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank
So this will
you.
be our honeymoon.
Our first home,
Yeah.
first home together.
That'd be so
Absolutely.
nice.
But you grow into the space. Like you say, we were in a T5 for a while. Like we travelled 2 weeks in Scotland. Didn't got in each didn't, even though it's small, we didn't get in each other's way.
Yeah.
And
And
you
if you
just-
can do that, you can do anything, can't
Absolutely.
you?
I think that was make or break. Like that was
Yeah.
like right at the start of our relationship. We're like, it's either gonna work or it's not.
Yeah.
And it did.
And it
Let's
did.
just go in a van
Yeah.
together and see if
Yes.
it's the best
Confined in
time.
the
What
space
a
for
good
2
challenge.
weeks. What
Yeah.
you gotta go really wrong or really right.
Maybe they should do that as a TV program, you know, like
Yeah.
when they stick people on holiday, don't they? Like
Yeah.
throw couples together. They should do van
I think
life.
it'd
Yeah,
bring
that'd
people
be
in.
quite cool.
Yeah,
There you go.
it'd be great.
The new show that we should do on YouTube
Yeah.
will be like, let's Throw two random people
You
together.
heard about it here first, folks. And what was you saying about the engine?
The 814D. So it's-
814D.
Yeah.
There you
Okay.
go.
Because I was looking at a 612 something on
There's
eBay.
so many
but-
different. They're all
Yeah.
different. Like
They're
you'll
all
see
different,
them
yeah.
like just in this row. You'll see them all. And
Yeah.
even though like this one and that one, Camarello, is
Oh, it's called
the
just
same
as well.
one, the
It's
same
so different.
type. They're so different. Like theirs seems so much more open because.
Yeah, because you've
Just
got
the
the
layout
sections
inside is
everywhere.
Yeah,
different.
but they've got like the work surf and then the toilet on one side and the other side's open, so it looks
Ah.
a lot wider.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah.
ours looks more narrow, you know,
Yeah.
and like longer. Everyone's is different, isn't
Yeah,
it? So
yeah.
It's
What about
nice.
mechanical issues? Have you had any?
Not yet.
No?
No.
they just chug. Yeah, she took a bit of convincing.
Yeah, that
She'd
was
been
just
in storage.
battery
Yeah,
wise,
she took a little bit of
because it
convincing
was
to get
sat for a
going.
while.
Oh right, so you
Yeah.
just had
Once
to
we
But that was
bought
it.
a couple of new batteries,
Oh,
absolutely
that's
fine.
not bad.
I,
though, is
I
it,
think the only thing
really?
with these is that known for an ECU issue, but you can get those parts and carry them.
Yeah.
So if
Yeah.
you know, it's again research, and if you know there's a model and there's going to be something wrong with your van,
Yeah,
possibly
you just stock that.
stock the part, you've got it.
Yeah.
If it happens, usually it doesn't matter where you are in the world, someone can fit it, or you can yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Good advice.
He's,
Absolutely.
he's
Yeah.
good at most things. Well, most things
Yeah.
aren't you? You can't cook, but you can
Got
cook.
a box of parts.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. It's always
So
handy
box
to
of
have.
parts is always there. You know, you're like, yeah, that'll be fine. Well, that'll
Yeah.
come in handy one day, and they do.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Most likely it'll be in the utensil drawer in it. Are we opening it to get a spoon in there?
Yeah.
What is
Yeah,
this in
spark
here?
plugs.
Yeah,
lot,
we've got
Yeah.
some of those drawers. We've got one that we just call the Fablon cupboard.
The Fablon
It's
cupboard.
been
Because we-
given a name. Yeah.
Because when we first got the van, we kind of like we got Fablon for like the backsplash and for the table, and we're gonna put it on the back doors. So we just kind of went in the cupboard, and other things went in, and they're like, oh, which one? Fablon cupboard. So that's just
So it's
even
just
if it's
stayed-
not
it's
in
just
there
stayed that
anymore,
name.
it's always going to be the Fablon cupboard.
Yeah,
because we
instead
know.
of like the junk drawer, it's
Yeah,
just the
yeah.
Fablon
the
cupboard.
cupboard.
Yeah.
So my van's only a medium wheelbase Sprinter.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's tiny.
They
compared
are,
to
yeah.
these.
The,
Yeah.
the good thing about this, you can have your luxuries, you can have your
Yeah.
comforts.
That's brilliant. Oh well, thank you so much.
No,
for
it's
that.
nice to
Show
meet
us
you.
around.
You're very welcome.
It's really
Real pleasure.
inspiring.
So this is Max, and he's got a rather unusual Vario. Can we have a look inside?
Yeah.
I'd love to. I've got to look inside this. Got to be careful with the ladder. Wow, look at the amount of room you've got. That's incredible, isn't it?
I lifted the floor, so that's all storage under there.
Oh,
About
right.
30 centimetres worth of storage, of which a lot of it's tools as well, and van parts.
Tools and van parts. So all these are panels, they all lift up?
They all lift up all the way. That's wood storage, food storage, just stuff, tools
Stuff.
and wood.
Got to have stuff.
It's just the extra stuff, you know. I got a 100 litre water tank, water, soon to be shower behind here.
This is just
but
like a regular
wardrobe.
front door.
Normal front door to Facebook, like actually from a house. And it's a stable door, so.
That's
splits.
so cool, isn't it?
And then got electric cooking.
I love all this. This is great.
Yeah.
What, you know, it's just
It's-
unique, isn't
Nothing's
it?
finished yet, but it's getting there. This is an old wardrobe side. This is a 12-volt compressor fridge from a boat that was free.
Yeah.
Bins. It was in a skip. But it had a sign saying 12-volt compressor fridge working. Yeah, L-shaped sofa that needs cushions. And speakers in the
It's
ceiling.
still working on it. It's
Yeah,
yeah, work in progress.
Gas bottle burner. I welded that.
You made that?
Yeah, I made that.
No.
Yeah. Based that off a Morso squirrel, which my dad has in his boat. And it's got 2 doors. So you can empty the ash, and then this is just, it's filled with paper at the moment, but yeah. Twisty vents.
Is
That'll
it
go
safe?
overnight. Yeah? That'll go overnight.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger than mine. No, I've got a little cubic mini wood stove, yeah, like every hour you have to fill it. It doesn't
That's
last
the,
all
people
night.
say, why'd you make it so big? And it's not for the heat, it's so you
Just-
can keep it overnight.
Yeah, so you
That's
can
the
keep it
reason.
going. Yeah, that's something I've learnt. A mistake that I made, because they do a bigger one.
Ah,
And I
yeah,
thought, oh,
yeah,
I don't want to get a big one, it'd be too hot. But yeah, like you say, it's like keeping it
This
going.
one just ticks over at about 80 degrees to 100 degrees.
Nice.
Yeah. And then got all electrics in here. Not the tightest at the moment.
It's alright.
Still adding things.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It's organised, that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, well, by having the overhead under storage, I
That's a
don't
fantastic
lose
idea.
the under bed storage because there's the cab there obviously.
Yeah.
and I don't need overhead cupboards, and it keeps the weight down low, so it makes it feel bigger inside.
Yeah.
So a lot of people say it looks bigger, but I think that's because you gain
Because you've
that
got no
sight
overhead.
over the and sight over the cab. So yeah, little
And
old
what's-
LDV window.
Is this like pallet wood?
Just
or something?
pallet wood. So it's done on kind of very budget, so free wardrobe side pallet wood. This from charity shops, LDV window given to me.
I was thinking about doing pallet wood. I've got to be honest. I collected some pallets
You
and
can
then
see why my
taking
van
them
weighs
apart.
3.4 tonne now.
Yeah, but taking the pallets apart is a drama. It's hard work.
It's a hard work. You get into the. I only actually did this wall. This
Yeah.
wall was given to me,
All right,
and it was already planed down. Someone had done it, ripped it out of their bus. So
nice. Love it. It's very nice.
and a narrowboat hatch to get onto the roof.
I see you go up on the roof.
Yeah. So the narrowboat hatch, so you can just go up. And look out there.
That's a great idea.
So yeah.
Portholes.
Porthole there, yeah. That was at my dad's boat. So yeah.
It's fantastic. And what's your YouTube channel?
I'm Rusty Rose Adventures.
So there you go. Make sure you check out Rusty Rose Adventures.
Stickers.
Oh, look, he's got stickers.
So yeah.
Thank you for showing me around.
It's okay.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Cheers. Let's go see what Becky's up to. She's with her friend James. Right? Yeah. So this is James, and he owns this amazing Vario ambulance.
It's a German ambulance.
It was the German Red Cross. I actually did some translation. It was based in Munich, and it was a disaster response vehicle. Because the Germans obviously like to be prepared for stuff.
Yeah.
So apparently that was about as much as I managed to Google translate.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
We were just laughing at the fact that
I love this sign.
they've just they went to Ireland last year and said it was absolutely stunning and
Yeah.
really easy to wild
It's
camp.
definitely easy to, yeah. There's places that you can't. But
Yeah.
but it's very easy to find places that you can, and people are pretty
Chilled.
pretty relaxed.
Has he done anything different? I don't think so. It's the size though, like
Yeah.
I like the fact that James has got the cab with the blind, like he's got the door and the windows, so it's like its own separate
Yeah.
little space. I've done that trick. The lace with the spray.
It's good that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, look, there's cats everywhere.
So this is Max, and
Hello.
this is sorry.
Hello.
Oh, take two.